Imagine defining the perfect resume for a chief executive officer for a $30 million engineering and construction management firm. This CEO must manage the design and construction of mechanical systems in operating critical industrial manufacturing facilities like semiconductor manufacturing, where the standards for precision are extremely high and the margin for error extremely low. We'd probably be looking for advanced science, technology, engineering, or math degree holders with 25 to 30 years of high-tech design and manufacturing experience. That makes my recent conversations with Julie Strong, the CEO of C1S Group, even more special, as Julie proves that great construction industry leaders can be found in unexpected places. I know that you majored in psychology.
Yeah.
How in the world do you ever relate psychology to the construction business?
Well, I started in human resources in construction. And when it comes right down to it, these are just people that do this work. We don't create semiconductor chips. We don't create the products that our clients create. We arrange all the logistics, the schedule, we calm all the nerves, we do all the planning to help get a project across the finish line. And so for us, what that means is client service. It means great communication. It means understanding someone else's pain and coming up with solutions to help them use their capital expenditure better. While I wouldn't say a liberal arts degree was a big moneymaker my first 10 years out of college, I think it just gave me a broad foundation from which to not feel like I pigeonholed myself and had to commit to something for the rest of my life. We do industrial manufacturing work, schools, life science, semiconductor. We do defense and aerospace. So really critical manufacturing environments, people who are in operating facilities, they have deadlines to make what they make, and our job is to do what we do to improve their facilities without shutting them down.
Not only does Julie run her successful engineering and construction management company, but she also serves on the board of TEXO, a construction association made up of members of the two largest and most influential national construction industry associations in the world, the Associated Builders and Contractors, ABC, and the Associated General Contractors of America, AGC. Join me next time as Julie shares how she runs her business on Sage Intacct Construction and how she's combined it with Procore to compose a best-in-class construction financial management suite, as well as 3 keys for success in managing technology adoption. C1S Group plus Sage Intacct Construction plus BTerrell SmartSuite. Together, we're building something special.